Hello everyone. I am Dr. Savan Giridhar Dharmapuriwar and I welcome all of you on behalf of Departments of English, Rajkumar Keval Ramani Kanya Mahavidyalay, Zaripatka, Nagpur, Vidyasagar Kala Mahavidyalay, Khairi Vijayawada Ramtek, and Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalay, Mahal, Nagpur. Today, we are going to discuss syllabus of Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University compulsory English course prescribed for BA semester 6 students. This video is a part of online video tutorials and study material prepared for BA final year students of semester 6 compulsory English course of Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj Nagpur University, Nagpur. At the outset, I must thank respected Dr. Urmila Dabir Madam, Principal of Rajkumar Keval Ramani Kanya Mahavidyalay and Chairperson of Board of Studies in English, RTM Nagpur University. Respected Dr. Deepashri Patil Madam, Principal of Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalay, Nagpur, and respected Dr. PKU Pillai Sir, Principal of Vidyasagar Kala Mahavidyalaya, Ramtek, for taking this initiative for the preparation of online video tutorials for the students during these days of pandemic. So let us begin with this presentation on RTM Nagpur University's syllabus of BA final year semester 6 course of compulsory English. The compulsory English course of BA Part 3 semester 6 is divided into 4 units. The first unit is based on prose. The second unit is based on poetry. The third unit is based on one-act play, while the fourth unit is based on the applied skills and paragraph writing. The unit number 1, which is based on prose section, contains two prose lessons. The first lesson that we are going to learn in this semester is With the Photographer, written by Stephen Leacock. The second lesson, Spoken English and Broken English, is a written text of a radio talk delivered by the famous writer and dramatist George Bernard Shaw. This unit carries 20 marks weightage in the final examination. So, as I have already told you that the complete syllabus is divided into 4 units. The first unit is based on prose section. The second unit is based on poetry section. The third unit is based on one-act play. And the fourth unit is based on applied skills and paragraph writing. यावर्षी BA फायनल इयरला कंपल्सरी इंग्लिश या विषयासाठी जो अभ्यासक्रम आपल्याला विद्यापीठाने दिलेला आहे तो संपूर्ण अभ्यासक्रम 4 युनिट्स मध्ये विभाजित आहे. पहिलं जे युनिट आहे ते प्रोज सेक्शन वरती आधारित आहे. दुसरं जे युनिट आहे ते कवितांवरती आधारित आहे. तिसरं जे युनिट आहे ते एकांकिकेवरती आधारित आहे आणि चौथं युनिट हे अप्लाइड स्किल्स आणि पॅराग्राफ रायटिंग याच्यावरती आधारित आहे. जो पहिलं युनिट आहे त्या पहिल्या युनिट मध्ये आपल्याला 2 धडे किंवा 2 प्रोज लेसन्स दिलेले आहेत. त्यातल्या पहिल्या धड्याचं शीर्षक आहे विथ द फोटोग्राफर आणि हा धडा लिहिलेला आहे स्टीफन लिकॉक या लेखकाने. सेकंड लेसन जे आपण या युनिट मध्ये शिकतोय त्याचं शीर्षक आहे स्पोकन इंग्लिश अँड ब्रोकन इंग्लिश आणि हा लेसन लिहिलेला आहे प्रख्यात नाटककार जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ यांनी. आणि दिस लेसन इज जस्ट अ रिटर्न टेक्स्ट ऑफ अ रेडिओ टॉक, की जॉर्ज बर्नार्ड शॉ यांनी रेडिओवरती केलेलं एक जे व्याख्यान आहे त्या व्याख्यानाचं रिटर्न टेक्स्ट या धड्याच्या माध्यमातून आपल्याला यावर्षी शिकायचं आहे. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द युनिट 1 प्रोज. आणि प्रोज युनिटवरती विद्यापीठामध्ये 20 विद्यापीठाच्या परीक्षांमध्ये 20 मार्कांचे प्रश्न आपल्याला विचारले जातील. नाउ मूव्हिंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट युनिट, दॅट इज द unit which is based on the poems. In unit number 2, we are going to learn 2 poems. The first poem that we are going to learn in this unit is River. This poem is written by famous poet A.K. Ramanujan. The second poem from this unit that we will learn is The Bird Sanctuary. This poem is written by famous Indian poetess and freedom fighter Sarojini Naidu. This poem gives us a picture of a bird sanctuary in which different kinds of birds are living and singing happily. This unit carries 20 marks weightage in the examination. So, as I have told you, the unit number 2 is based on the poems, and we are going to learn 2 poems from this unit. The first poem that we are going to learn is River, written by A.K. Ramanujan, and second poem is The Bird Sanctuary, written by Sarojini Naidu. या युनिटमध्ये जे युनिट नंबर 2 मध्ये की जे कवितांवर आधारित आहे, आपल्याला 2 कविता शिकायच्या आहेत. त्यातली पहिल्या कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे रिव्हर, आणि ही कविता लिहिलेली आहे A.K. रामानुजन यांनी. आणि दुसरी कविता जी आपण शिकतोय त्या कवितेचं शीर्षक आहे द बर्ड सँच्युअरी, आणि ही कविता लिहिलेली आहे सरोजिनी नायडू यांनी. या कवितेमध्ये एका अशा पक्षी अभयारण्याचे चित्र कवयित्री आपल्यासमोर सादर करतात, ज्या पक्षी अभयारण्यामध्ये विविध प्रकारचे, विविध आकाराचे, विविध रंगाचे पक्षी फार गुण्यागोविंदाने आणि आनंदाने राहतात. नाउ वी आर मूव्हिंग ऑन टू द unit number 3. Unit number 3 is based on one act play. In this unit, we are going to learn a play written by famous Indian writer and poet Rabindranath Tagore. Students will learn one act play Chitra, written by Rabindranath Tagore in the unit number 3. This play is based on a story from Mahabharata. It adapts a story of warrior princess Chitra or Chitrangada and Prince Arjuna. It deals with Chitra's efforts to win the love of Arjuna. तिसरा जो युनिट आहे, जो आपण यावर्षी अभ्यासणार आहोत सिलेबस मध्ये, that unit is based on वन ऍक्ट प्ले, की ते जे युनिट आहे ते युनिट एकांकिकेवर आधारित आहे. आणि यावर्षी आपण एकच एकांकिका या युनिटमध्ये शिकतोय, जी आपल्याला 20 मार्कांसाठी शिकायची आहे. टायटल ऑफ द वन ऍक्ट प्ले दॅट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस इयर इज चित्रा. आणि चित्रा ही एकांकिका रवींद्रनाथ टागोर यांनी लिहिलेली आहे. आणि या युनिटवरती 20 मार्कांचे प्रश्न विद्यापीठांच्या परीक्षेमध्ये आपल्याला विचारले जातील. Now, the last unit that we are going to learn this year is unit number 4, and unit number 4 is based on the applied skills and paragraph writing. This unit is further divided under 3 parts. The first part carries 5 marks weightage in the examination and is based on email writing. The students have to write an email message on the given topic. The second part also carries 5 marks and is based on writing curriculum vitae or CV. The students get a question on writing a CV. The third part of this unit carries 10 marks and is based on paragraph writing. The students have to develop a paragraph or a story on the basis of the points given in the question. Yes, I have already told you that The unit number 4, which is based on applied skills and paragraph writing, it contains 3 parts. The first part is of email writing, second part is of writing curriculum vitae, and third part is of writing paragraph. The marks are distributed for, means 5 marks are given for email writing, 5 marks are given for curriculum vitae, and 10 marks are given for paragraph writing. चौथं जे युनिट आहे, जे यावर्षी आपल्याला अभ्यासक्रमात दिलेलं आहे, ते युनिट आधारित आहे अप्लाइड स्किल्स आणि पॅराग्राफ रायटिंग. या युनिटला पुढे त्यांनी 3 भागांमध्ये विभाजित केलेला आहे. पहिला जो काही भाग आहे तो आहे ईमेल रायटिंगचा, ज्याच्यावरती 5 मार्कांचे प्रश्न विद्यापीठाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये विचारले जातील. दुसरा जो काही भाग आहे तो आहे रायटिंग सीव्ही वरती आधारित, त्याच्यावरती देखील 5 मार्कांचा प्रश्न विद्यापीठाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये येईल. आणि तिसरा जो काही भाग आहे या युनिटचा तो आहे पॅराग्राफ रायटिंगचा. काही मुद्दे तुम्हाला दिले असतील, काही पॉइंट्स तुम्हाला प्रश्नामध्ये दिलेले असतील, अँड बेस्ड ऑन दोज पॉइंट्स, की त्या पॉइंट्सवरती, त्या मुद्द्यांवरती आधारित तुम्हाला एक पॅराग्राफ किंवा एक छोटीशी एका पॅराग्राफची स्टोरी डेव्हलप करायची असेल, आणि याच्यावरती 10 मार्कांचा प्रश्न विद्यापीठाच्या परीक्षेमध्ये विद्यार्थ्यांना विचारला जाईल. सो complete syllabus of BA final year semester 6 compulsory English course is divided under 4 units. The first unit was prescribed for the sake of prose lessons. The second unit, in the second unit, we are going to learn the poems. In the third unit, we are going to learn the one-act play. And the fourth unit is based on the applied skills and the paragraph writing. So, with this, after discussing all this, what we can say, course content divided into the 4 units, we will, what we can say, we will try to discuss the distribution of marks. We have already, what we can say, seen that how many marks are distributed on each unit, but once again, we will take a quick look on the distribution of marks in the question paper. So how the question paper will be and how the questions will be asked and how many weightage is given on the questions which are asked on the different units of the syllabus. So we shall, from unit 1, which is based on the prose section, that unit 1 carries total 20 marks weightage in the examination, and students will get 3 short answer questions of 5 marks each and 5 very short answer questions of 1 marks each in the examination from this unit. या जो पहिलं युनिट आहे, जे प्रोज वरती, गद्यावरती आधारित आहे, याच्यावरती परीक्षेमध्ये किंवा क्वेश्चन पेपरमध्ये 3 प्रश्न येतील आहे, शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स, आणि प्रत्येक प्रश्नाला 5 मार्क असतील आहे. त्याचवेळी या युनिटवरती 1-1 मार्कांचे 5 व्हेरी शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स, अति लघुत्तरी प्रश्न येतील, आणि अशा प्रकारे 15 मार्कांचे शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स आणि 5 मार्कांचे व्हेरी शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स, या दोनहीला ऍड करून 20 मार्कांचं वेटेज या युनिटवरती परीक्षेमध्ये राहील आहे. इन द सेम वे, युनिट 2 and unit 3 also carries 20 marks weightage in the examination. Students will get 3 short answer questions of 5 marks each and 5 very short answer questions of 1 mark each in the examination from this unit. पोएट्री सेक्शन आणि वन ऍक्ट प्ले युनिट नंबर 2 आणि युनिट नंबर 3 वर देखील अगदी सारख्याच पद्धतीने प्रश्न राहतील आहे. याच्यावरती तुम्हाला 3 प्रश्न, 3 शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स, प्रत्येक प्रश्नाला 5-5 मार्क राहतील आहे, म्हणजे असे 15-15 मार्कांचे प्रश्न, आणि त्याचवेळी या युनिटवरतून 5 अतिलघुत्तरी प्रश्न जे 1-1 मार्कांचे राहतील आहे, ज्याच्यावरती टोटल वेटेज राहील आहे 5 मार्क. सो इन दिस वे, युनिट 1, युनिट 2, युनिट 3 कॅरीज 20 marks weightage. Then further, this division means these units will get 3 short answer questions of 5 marks each and 5 very short answer questions of 1 mark each. Okay, then we are moving on to the unit number 4. Distribution of marks in unit number 4 is little bit different from the unit number 1, 2, and 3. Unit 4, applied skills and paragraph writing, also carries 20 marks weightage in the examination, but the distribution is done in a different way. These 20 marks are further divided into 5 marks questions each on writing an email message and writing a CV. Okay, then this unit will also carry a 10 marks question based on the paragraph writing. की चौथ्या युनिटला देखील त्यांनी काय केलंय की 20 मार्कांचं वेटेज दिलंय, पण हे 20 मार्क त्यांनी 3 प्रकारे डिवाइड केले आहेत. 5-5 मार्कांचे 2 प्रश्न म्हणजे एक प्रश्न असेल 5 मार्कांचा रायटिंग इन ईमेल मेसेज, दुसरा प्रश्न असेल 5 मार्कांचा रायटिंग सीव्ही वरती, आणि उरलेले जे काही 10 मार्क आहेत त्या 10 मार्कांसाठी पॅराग्राफ रायटिंग वरती एक प्रश्न विचारला जाईल. सो these units, unit number 1, unit number 2, unit number 3, unit number 4 will collectively has the weightage of 80 marks in the university examination, and remaining 20 marks means the paper that course has complete 100 marks weightage in the final examination, and the remaining 20 marks are based on the internal assessment, and those will be given on the basis of the internal assessment which has been done throughout the year by the college. Okay, so in all we can say that the students are going to get complete 100 marks weightage for the compulsory English course, and those 100 marks are further divided under 4 units as 20 marks weightage, and remaining 20 marks are based on the internal assessments of the students. So I can say that the study material that we are going to provide from the medium of this online video tutorials and the online study material, that is prepared in such a way that will be beneficial for the students while they are preparing for the examination. But this year, due to corona pandemic and the lockdown situation, university may change the pattern of examination, and means whatever the pattern that has been prescribed in the syllabus given on the website of the RTM Nagpur University. So university can make some changes in the pattern of examination, and in place of offline examination, in place of written examination, university may conduct the examination on the online basis. So that's why while preparing this study material, while preparing the video tutorials that we are going to give you in the form of this what we can say online study material, that is a joint venture of these 3 colleges. So we have tried to prepare this material in such a way that it will be beneficial for the students for both offline and online pattern of the university examination. Means we will prepare this material in such a way that you can study these videos, you can study these notes, you can study these multiple choice questions which will be asked in the examination of the RTM Nagpur University when it will conduct on the online basis. So you will get benefited from this study material, means whether the examination is going to be conducted on offline mode or the online mode. Okay, so with this, I have come to an end of our presentation, which was based on the syllabus of BA final year compulsory English course of semester 6. I hope the online study material that we are going to provide as a part of a joint venture of departments of English of Rajkumar Keval Ramani Kanya Mahavidyalay, Nagpur, Vidyasagar Kala Mahavidyalay, Khairi Vijayawada, Ramtek, and Srimati Binzani Mahila Mahavidyalay, Mahal, Nagpur will prove beneficial to the students. At the same time, it will help them in their preparation for the university examination during these days of pandemic. I once again thank and congratulate respected principal Dr. Urmila Dabir Madam, respected Dr. PKU Pillai sir, respected Dr. Deepashri Patil ma'am for initiating such a valuable online course during these days of pandemic. I congratulate the conveners of this course, Dr. Madhavi Mohril ma'am, Dr. Savan Dharmapuriwar, Dr. Suchita Marathe ma'am, and contributors, Dr. Archana Gupta ma'am, Dr. Rajeshri Gazgate ma'am, and Professor Ravindra Pantavne sir for this fruitful endeavor for the students. I once again thank you. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.